Solve the equation by any method. 9x to the fourth plus 4 equals 37x squared. First, we'll rewrite this gathering all of the terms on the left side of the equation. We have 9x to the fourth minus 37x squared plus 4 is equal to 0. We have an equation that's quadratic in form, and so we'll use substitution in order to solve. We'll let u equal x squared, and then we can substitute u for x squared, obtaining the equation 9u squared minus 37u plus 4 is equal to 0. We can factor the trinomial as 9u minus 1 times u minus 4, which is equal to 0. We then can use the zero factor property. We have 9u minus 1 equal to 0, or u minus 4 is equal to 0. This gives us the solutions u is equal to 1/9, or u is equal to 4. Now we need to substitute back. Recall that u is equal to x squared. So we have x squared is equal to 1/9, or x squared is equal to 4. We need to solve both of these equations. Solving x squared equals 1/9 using the square root property, we have x is equal to plus or minus the square root of 1/9. And thus we have x is equal to plus or minus 1/3. Solving x squared equals 4 using the square root property, we have x is equal to plus or minus the square root of 4, which gives us x is equal to plus or minus 2. This gives us the four solutions: negative 1/3, positive 1/3, negative 2, and positive 2. All of these solutions do satisfy the original equation, and so the solution set is the set containing negative 2, negative 1/3, 1/3, and 2.